St. Xavier's is a college which is one of the best for mass media studies in our country. There is a lot of demand and a lot of you guys want to apply for St. Xavier's. So you have questions like when the entrance exam dates will come, how to apply for St. Xavier's College, what about the hostels, what is the entrance fees, all of these questions I'll answer in this video. Hey guys, this is Pooja Gupta. Welcome to Media Mentor. I make a lot of informative videos related to mass media studies, profession, and a lot of informative things regarding media. So do subscribe to my channel. This is an update video. Guys, I've already made the detail about how to apply in St. Xavier's College, about the seat distribution in mass media like the BMM course. Also, I have made a detailed video on how you can prepare for the entrance exam, what kind of questions are expected. All the video links will put in the description box. Do watch that video to get answer and clarification about how to apply, what is the process and how to prepare for the entrance exam. Starting with the first question, which I have seen people are too much desperate about. Ma'am, when will be the Xavier's entrance exam? What are the dates? When it is coming out? Is it over? First thing, guys, I have told this in each and every video that please keep an eye on their main website, which is xaviers.edu. I am putting this link in the description box as well. So when you go on the website, there is a clear instructions written that everything will be announced on the website, the date, the process, and all of the details that you need to know. But from our end, as soon as we get this update, we'll post it on our social media handle, which is Instagram. I'll make a community post on the YouTube as well, because if you miss out checking, you will get the update. So don't worry about it. Second question, if you are from outside, how will you appear for the entrance exam? Guys, the whole process is online. Whether you are outside Mumbai, from Mumbai or anywhere, even from outside country, everything is purely online. Application process, registration process, your exam, everything is online. So don't worry about that as well. Third question is how they will evaluate your HSC and the entrance exam. Guys, initially it was 60% your entrance and 40% your HSC board exams. But now as your exam didn't happen, you have to be sure that they will give more weightage to their entrance exam. So prepare well. Even if you get like good marks in HSC, you will have to score really well in your entrance exam. Initially what used to happen is they used to give percentage, like if you score 85 above, they will give you more consideration. But as we all know, this exam cancellation has made things little complicated. So I'm telling you, give 90% to your entrance exam, because they will definitely take a call on that front rather than just on your 12th basis. In addition to this, I also like to highlight on one point. As I already mentioned that there's a great demand, lot of students are applying for St. Xavier's College. Please be careful the boards you mentioned. So if you're an abroad student, there's a category given. Please be careful about that category. If you are in CBSE, ICSE, that board you have to be really careful about. You are an HSC student. Why I'm telling you? Because there's only 60 seats. You guys need to understand, and for 60 seats there are approximately more than 50,000 applications. So they need to balance out the class in a way that they have mix of everything. So I'm telling you, be careful when you fill up the form. Read each and every instructions properly. Next question comes is, are there hostel facilities in St. Xavier's College? When you talk about hostel facilities, girls, bad news, there is no hostels for, college hostel for girls. There's only boys hostel in St. Xavier's College, which is for undergraduates and postgraduates. And for the criteria of getting into the hostel, you have to inquire from the college. So I hope guys this update video was helpful. Please don't panic. Prepare for the entrance well, but at the same time I would suggest that please keep 5 to 6 good college options, because just don't get disappointed if you don't get in St. Xavier's. As I said, there are only 60 seats and you don't know how you'll perform in your entrance exam. Even if you perform and you miss out for 1 marks, you should not be disheartened, because you gave your best. So all the things from my end I have provided. The books which is required, the kind of questions will be asked, the websites that you need to check out, Also, the whole process for the application, that how you should apply. As far as I know, the Xavier staff is quite helpful, as the colleges were not reopened. From 14th June, the staff will again come back to the college and start working. So you can expect that the reply will be prompter, because from last 2 months there was a lot of complaint that Xavier's and other colleges are not answering the phone call. So you can expect that after 14 they will start answering, because they will be there in the college. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.